we're gonna be upgrading our suspension right here. It's gonna look exactly the same when we're done with it, but we're gonna show you what's going into that. I'm gonna have Shane Quigg, our teammate.
I'm Shane.
Made it
going
to,
fast and eating. Goddamn.
yeah. He's gonna be doing the internals on that. We're swapping that out with some Race Tech cartridges and getting that resprung as well. All right, as you can see here, got a mess of bolts, but really not that many. Got both forks out, got the front fender off, got the front wheel out. Up here you can see that I had to undo the pinch bolt down there, pinch bolt right here, clip on, and also underneath a cap was another bolt right here. And that's kind of just, I assume, to locate the right angle for your grip and everything like that. Actually, that'll probably be a reason that we switch to different clip-ons with risers as well, because all of us across the team like to ride not in tight like this, but like to ride out here. All right, but that's it for this, and we're gonna take these to Shane, so we'll see how that goes. All right, man. Oh, bench.
Okay, so this is where most bikes start, with their suspension, stock junk. Move over to some good race quality cartridges. So what we're going to start with is draining the oil out of these guys, so that way we can disassemble them. Alright, fairly simple on getting these bad boys apart. You can tell there's no cartridges on the factory R3 forks. So next step is we're going to remove the tubes and clean the outers, inners, make sure everything is in good shape, there's no abnormal wear. And then we'll go put new seals in it and proceed to put the cartridges in. Okay, got the forks completely disassembled, fluid drained out, and on the R3s, the 2015 model, you have to cut, or if you have a lathe, unfortunately I do not have one, you have to cut this out, so this lip right here off of the forks, and make it as perfect as possible, so that way you can get that piece out so you can fit the cartridges in. Okay, got everything cleaned up and the bottoms of the fork tubes cut and cleaned. So now what we're going to do is put this rubber piece in first, this plastic piece on top of it, so that way the bottom of the fork has something in case it bottoms out to hit instead of the fork itself. All right, just got the right fork leg done, and I made that the rebound, so that way it's easy to remember, right side, rebound side, because K-Tech, you have a compression cartridge and a rebound cartridge. So the compression always goes on the left and the rebound always goes on the right. Just makes it a little bit easier. And in the process, I'm putting new seals, wipers, and of course having the right tools makes the job a whole lot easier.